Hi everyone, and welcome to the Digistar 6 tutorial series. This video is an overview of the system view. The system view is the last of 5 different views, each optimized for a specific activity. Now we currently have the system view open, and it's designed to display status information and allow you to control components of the entire system. The upper half of the system view includes the projector controls, system shutdown, system status, and object properties windows, while the bottom half includes the messages, command console, and command echo windows. All of these windows give you the resources you need to control the operation of your Digistar system, as well as diagnose any issues that may arise. So let's go ahead and start at the top left with the projector controls window. For systems connected to a projection system, the projector controls window is used to both determine the status of the projectors and control them. Controls are available for all projectors together and for individual projectors. The power on and off commands control the power status of the projector, while the beam on and off commands control projector display, not projector power. Now, shutting off projector beams does not extend lamp life in a projector, but it does allow the projector to resume image display without warm-up, and that's because the projectors are still powered on. The solo button turns off display for all projectors except for the projector whose solo button was clicked. Next, the system shutdown window provides an option for shutting down computers and projectors as well as all Digistar applications. When the shutdown button at the bottom of the panel is clicked, all Digistar applications will exit. This includes the user interface, host, and any graphics processors, or GPs. The computers and/or projectors are also shut down depending on the choices selected within the panel itself. Then we have the system status window, which contains 3 tabs that display the status of the host and GPs, any plugins that are currently loaded, and connection for all cloud services, such as the Digistar Cloud Library. Lastly, in the upper section, the Objects Properties window displays any active system objects and their attributes, which can then be modified and adjusted as needed. Now, on the bottom of the system view, the Messages window allows you to see system feedback. Messages appear in the list with the newest messages at the bottom, and each message has an icon to denote its severity level. Message levels are fatal, error, warning, system, status, and load status. Each level can be individually filtered in and out of the message list to fine-tune the information displayed. This is done by clicking on the buttons for the message level on the toolbar at the top of the window. And the Live Update button on the left side of the toolbar can be clicked to stop or start new updates from appearing in the Messages window. Next, we have the Command Console, which gives you the ability to interactively input Digistar scripting commands for execution. Once a command is typed, it will only execute once the Enter key is pressed. It also keeps a history of commands, which you can scroll through using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Once again, pressing the Enter key will execute the chosen command from the history. And finally, we have the Command Echo window, which shows you the commands as they are executed. So, as you can see, the system view gives you the information and the controls you need to keep your Digistar system running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.